welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today is day number 2, look number 2 for Diwali series, guys. I hope you all guys enjoyed look number 1 in Diwali series. So for look number 2, I've done a nice dewy skin with a matte nude lips because I want all the talking to be done by my eyes. It's beautiful, a very smudged out sultry eye look that I've done with Kajal. Absolutely love, guys. It's very wearable as well. It's not very loud, it's subtle, and yeah, absolutely love it. You can just create this look within 10 minutes, and yeah, if this is of interest, then please keep watching. But please, before that, do subscribe and help me grow. So let's get into the video, guys. First thing first, I've applied a lip balm from Biotic. So this is the one that I've used. So I've been really enjoying using this because it has been helping me with the pigmentation, because I use a lot of lipstick, so I really like this product. So I've just applied that, and for my face I'm going to apply the moisturizer by Simple. So this again is a very nice moisturizer, guys. This doesn't have any fragrance, and it's very lightweight as well, so it doesn't feel very heavy on the skin. Actually, this moisturizer anybody can use, like any skin types can use. So I really like this moisturizer, guys. So I'm going to be taking generous amount of it, and I'll apply all over my face and neck, just giving a nice massage. I'm also going to be putting it under the eyes because this is a very light moisturizer. As I always say, please don't use any potent moisturizers like retinols, I mean like vitamin C, niacinamide, all that under your eyes, because your eyes, under eye skin is very fragile and very soft, so you don't want to harm your skin. And guys, for foundation, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I'm in the shade Hot Honey. So this is how it looks. This again has a very natural medium coverage, light to medium coverage. It's not going to cover my acne scars completely, but it's just going to give the coverage that I want for these Diwali looks, because I wanted to do very simple looks. So this actually has a little bit of matte finish, but I want my skin to be dewy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this YBP X Shreya Jain color creams. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of the foundation. I'm not going to take a lot of foundation because I don't want to look cakey. I want to look as natural as possible. I just want to look flawless, guys. And I'm also going to be taking this color cream, just a little bit, because little goes a long way with this product, guys, because it's very pigmented. Actually, I'm out of this because I've used this a lot. So I'm just going to scrape out, and with a beauty blender, just mixing it up and then applying it. This again is a perfect match for my skin tone, guys, but always go for a foundation that is of your skin tone. Don't go for lighter colors, because it, after some time, that tends to look grayish and bluish, and we don't want that. We just want our foundation to look flawless. So I'm blending the foundation on my forehead. I'm not going to be taking extra product on my forehead because you do tend to crease on your forehead as well, because there will be few lines in the forehead and you don't want to look like that, look like you have creased on your forehead. So I always avoid, and I always use very minimal product on my forehead. I'm putting the product under the eyes. You can see this has got a beautiful, I wouldn't say it's a flat matte finish, a very natural subtle matte finish, which I absolutely love, because I don't like very matte, flat matte finish, because that tends to stretch and pull my skin. I just want a very comfortable dewy moisturizing sort of foundation. So I really like this, guys. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. So I'm in the shade light to medium beige. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it under the eyes, like so, on the bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin, and on the forehead. So I'm not going to be using a lot of product, guys, because I don't want to look cakey. But I'm not going to blend this with the beauty blender. I'm going to be using the concealer brush and just I'll concentrate on the inner portion of the under eyes, so that you'll get the maximum coverage here, and it instantly brightens your under eyes as well. This concealer is very creamy, guys, so it blends beautifully and sits beautifully in the skin. And guys, to set the base immediately, I'm going to use the Luxury Banana powder from Makeup Revolution. Before setting the under eyes with the powder, make sure there's no crease in the concealer. Just blend it if there are creases, because you don't want to set your crease with the powder. Then it will look then your fine lines will just look accentuated. We don't want that. So blend it and then apply powder immediately. Set it immediately with the powder, guys. So this way your concealer doesn't crease. And guys, after that, after setting the under eyes, I'm not going to bake because the baking will make the skin very dry and it won't look good. So I'm not going to bake, just applying the product under the eyes. And I'm also going to be setting my concealer. Wherever I've applied concealer, I'm going to be setting it with the powder. Dab the extra and then apply the powder, because you don't want to look cakey again. But I'm not going to set the rest of the place where I've applied foundation, because that way your foundation will tend to look very matte. I don't want that. I want a nice dewy look. So I'm just going to set around the nose, loft lines, under the eyes, nose, the center portion of the forehead, and the cupid's bow, and little in the chin. That's it. I'm not going to be concentrating here and all. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Freedom Duo Brow Powder in the shade Ash Brown. As usual, I'm just going to be combing my eyebrow with a spoolie first. And I'll take the darker shade and put it in my outer portion of my brows. Since this is a powder, it will look very natural on your brow, guys. And just comb it with a spoolie as you go. I'm going to be taking the lighter shade from the same duo powder, brow powder, and I'll put it in the inner portion of my brows, like so. And comb it again. This is the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm in the shade Light Bronzer. So I'm going to be using that. Guys, what I love the most about this, when you open the this box, it feels like biscuit, guys. It feels like there are some cookies in here. It smells beautiful. So this is actually, if you can see, it is not actually a contour shade. I'm going to bronze my face to just give a little bit of color to my face, because I don't like my face to be flat, matte, white. So I just want some nice color. So I'm going to be using this shade to just bronze. I just took to give a nice color. I'm not going to be contouring. This just creates a nice, color, like a bronzing effect, like a nice tan going on, which I absolutely love. So I'm doing that. This is such a beautiful product, and I love this brush. This brush is from PAC, you guys. It's such a nice brush. It's big and it's perfect for bronzing. I love contouring the nose because I want a nice sharp nose. For that, I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and with the Wet n Wild brush. This is a really nice brush for contouring your nose, guys. So I'm going to be taking the contour shade and I'm going to contour my nose, because I really like a nice sharp nose. For eyes, guys, today I want to keep it very simple because as I said before, I wanted to do all this makeup looks very simple, and so that you guys can recreate. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the highlighter that I'll be applying on my cheeks later on the video. So this highlighter is from Wet n Wild again. It's called the Precious Petals. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this in a shader brush, flat shader brush, and just randomly apply it on my eyelid like so. You don't have to be precise, guys, and you don't have to apply a lot of product. Just a dash of highlighter. That's it. You don't have to be very precise. Don't apply a lot of product. Just little bit. I'm doing it on both the eyes like so. You don't have to be neat as well. Just apply it. Now with the contouring shade, with the contour palette, this is a multi-purpose product that I even use for crease sometimes. So I'm going to take this contouring shade in my blending brush, and I'm going to put it as a and I'm going to put it in my crease as a transition shade, guys. So our eye look is complete. Just put it in the crease and then blend it really well. That's it. The same contour product, I'm going to be using the same brush, and I'll put it in the lower portion of my eyes as well, lower lash line as well, so it has a nice connection. Do you see how my eyes look gorgeous? We haven't done anything at all, but still it looks very gorgeous. It's simple yet elegant, so I absolutely love this look. Guys, and for eyes today, I want a nice black smoked out kajal look, upper and lower lash line. I'm going to be doing it both in the upper lash line and the lower waterline as well. So it looks sultry, beautiful. For that, I'm going to be using the K Beauty Kajal. I think this is in the shade, this is the gel liner, and it's in the shade Onyx. Yeah, it's Onyx. So this is how it looks. And guys, I'll put all the information of the products in the description box below for you guys. So please check it out. So first, what I'm going to be doing is, I'll just apply a liner like this, and with a blending brush, I'm just going to smudge the corners, edges, guys, like this. I'm going to use the same kajal in my waterline and smudge it as well. For applying mascara, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. So I'm doing that. So for mascara, guys, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. This is the first time I'm going to be using this mascara, guys. I don't know how this performs. So let me try. Actually, this mascara is just making your eyelashes really long. It's not giving more volume or something like that. It's just making your eyelashes look really long. So I really like the mascara, guys. It's just giving a lot of length to my eyelashes. So I like it. It looks like fake lashes actually. So I really like it. Guys, for the blush, I'm using the Nykaa blush in the shade Malibu Barbie. I'm going to be using this peachish orange shade, and I'm going to be putting it on my cheeks. Smile and put it in the apples of your cheeks. Always put it on your nose as well. And whatever is left out, I'm also going to be putting it on my chin. So you'll have a nice flush of color on your face. For highlighter, guys, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. So it's a gorgeous champagne rose gold type of color. So I'm going to be taking it in a blending brush, smaller brush like this, and I'm going to be putting it in the tip of the nose, bridge of the nose. Just lining. Can you see? Cupid's bow, chin. So I'm also going to be putting it on my forehead. Whatever is left out, I'm just going to give a quick run on my forehead as well, because I like, when I turn around, I like a nice shiny glowy forehead. So I'm doing that. For lips, I'm going to be lining it with the Nykaa lip liner. First, overlining my lips as usual. Filling in the corners to hide any pigmentation. So for lipstick, I want to keep my lips very, very muted because I want my eyes to do the talking. So for that, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Nudist Peach. And this, guys, is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also post your valuable comments because I love reading them. And yeah, I'll hopefully catch you all guys in the day 3 of Diwali series. Bye.